Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix Fortnite Crash Reporter. Alright, let's begin. First, open the Epic Games Launcher. Click on your profile icon in the top right corner, then select Settings. Scroll down, click on Fortnite, and enable additional command line arguments. Type -D3DLL, exactly as shown. Then go back. Now click on Library. Find Fortnite, click the three dots, select Manage, and open the install location. Open Fortnite game, then Binaries, then Win64. Scroll down, right-click Fortnite Launcher, open Properties, go to Compatibility, enable Compatibility Mode, disable full-screen optimizations, and run as administrator. Apply and close. Do the same steps for Fortnite Client. Next, open Easy Anti-Cheat, right-click the setup file, open Properties, and enable the same compatibility options. Apply and close. Finally, go back to the launcher, open Fortnite Options, enable Save the World, apply changes, and let it install. So that's basically how you can fix Fortnite Crash Reporter. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.